Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable FaceTime app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, go down and then in here tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on Allow Apps. Then we go down and tap on FaceTime. Now if you tap on the toggle button to switch it off, you can see on my device FaceTime will be removed from the home screen as well as in the app library. And that's it. To turn on FaceTime, simply tap on the toggle button again and switch it to the right hand side. And shortly after, FaceTime will reappear on the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.